Here's a quick recap of the trades and market outlook from the view of the eMiniDayTrader for Friday, March 20th, 2009. Taking a look as we usually start with our profiles. Here's our overnight session leading into today. So obviously this was yesterday's, and here we have today's. You can see that the rejection off the higher prices was not strong, although the market here had no upward movement after the first hour, only downward movement, but not a lot of it. And we knew that there was a potential support area in around here, and that's where the market got to. And so we were looking to see if the market could really hold that overnight or not. And as you can see in that overnight trade, there was some trade below it, but late in the overnight session, just pre-RTH, it rallied up and showed a bit of life. But as soon as the RTH opened, that was it. The sellers came back in, and once again, we had another day with range extension down, and even more than we had on the previous day. We also had a pretty bearish close. The volume really didn't confirm this, so it doesn't mean to say that it's going to turn around on Monday, but it does mean that we need to have more conviction of the strength of the selling structure before we really think that the market has turned to a swing auction down. Although we have rallied some 140 points, so even if we were to come back perhaps a third or a half of that, we could still have as much as 20 or 30 points down before it then tries to work its way higher. As you can see here on the individual profiles, this a little bit more clear, I guess, in comparison from day to day. This is the first time that we have had today and yesterday actually where we've actually closed within the down range extension from this entire up move. And so it's just kind of a natural pullback to come back to some degree before the market then attempts to make that longer term resistance that we spoke of at the 795 area. You see there was that big a little bit of a probe above it on the big volume day that we had the FOMC 2 days ago on Wednesday, and a bit of a probe up there to test it one more time yesterday, and then of course it's come off. So we could very well be in for a little bit more of a pullback, although I really don't think it's going to be a strong pullback, at least at this stage of the game. We did have some trades here, and our first trade actually was very early in the day. We were able to get long right in here, and it did rally some 3.5 points for us, so that was a nice little move, able to take out some profit on that. Unfortunately, we were looking to get short in this area. We didn't quite get the setup, and we were also looking to get short here. We didn't quite get the setup, so as a result, we did not participate in this down move, and really didn't. Well, we had a quick little up trade right in here. That was a break even, but a lot of our traders would not have taken that based on the overwhelming bearish control of the market at that time. We did have another couple of long trades though. You can see one of our deceleration bars right here, so we're able to get long here, participate in that up move. Went about 2.5 points for us, so we're able to take something out of that. It did come down and test the low, and then we had another one up in this area as it started to rally, and that one moved just 1.5 points for us, so we're able to take some more profit out of the market there. So we didn't really have many trades today. I think it was only 4 trades, a little bit less than what we usually have. Able to take something though, still be a profitable day, and save for the, as a matter of fact, when the market rallied up here, some of our traders I was contacted, and they did get short up in this test here because we came within a tick of actually triggering one of our classic type trades, a short as it rallied up there, and some of our traders did get short there. Save for one tick, we actually did have a trigger to get short in that area at that price, but it was not actually one of our systems trade because of that one tick. But some of our traders went ahead and took that trade anyway, and it worked out quite nicely because that really was the peak of the bounce, and then of course the rest of the day it came off. So at any rate, so that's just a quick recap of the trades. Of course, our On our website at eMiniDayTrader, the members video that we put together each day is usually 15 to 20 minutes long. This one is usually about 5. So this is just a very quick recap, not nearly the detail that the members video does that I put together. But if you'd like to contact us, we'd love to hear from you. If you've got any comments, suggestions, or questions, just send us an email. We can be reached at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. So that'll be it for Friday, March the 20th, 2009.